What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? Did Ivar try to get in here again with you? Oh no. Oh no. Toad, it's okay. Tell me. It's okay. I'm gonna get... That's it for him. He's in a lot of trouble.
Now look at this.
You hungry? It's still warming up. It's almost ready. Do you want something to eat? Yeah? You want a snack? Okay. Table for one? Makita, this way. Hi. How is my big scary panther? I heard you already ate dinner. What? You think I'm lying? Hi. Are you looking for something? Happy Monday. Do you want me to stay home? Thank you for your patience. Can you give me your biggest panther roar? Wow, okay, that was pretty good. Yeah.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is to give her lots of love, give her lots of love.
Do you want Mommy to get your worm? Yeah? What color? Yellow? Yellow?
Two best friends in a room, they might kiss.
Yes, we will.
What?
Yes, we will. Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
So I got my cat a bed. So cute.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye.
He has arrived. Greetings, Cooter. How are you doing today? That's good to hear. I play drums on you.
I'm right here. You're fine.
Oh, he's not happy.
High five, Dinah. Good kitty! Yay!